9 inches, well, a little under 9 inches on the OD with a 4-inch ID. And what I got to make is basically this is going to be a big bushing, like a plain bearing, if you will. I'm not sure exactly what it's for, but it is some type of bushing or a bearing, probably a low RPM application in a high heat environment. So I've got to finish the ID. I believe it's 4 7/16 ID. The OD is going to be 8 1/8, and it's going to be 16 3/16 long end to end. So we're going to set it up over there in the pacemaker to do it. So this stuff right here, you can pick up this kind of material from M&N Metals. They're out in Odessa, Texas, and they have just about any size you can imagine in cast iron and bronze, and they even sell 1045 steel, they sell 4140 steel. They have a lot of stuff out there, but they're a good supplier if you're ever looking for anybody to buy some cast iron or some bronze from. Get in my way. Oh, you're gonna come over here and sling chips at me now?
I think I'm going to powder coat the inside of those wheels too.
Inside of the wheels?
Yeah.
That'll look pretty good.
I think so.
That's how I done them center lines on my Malibu. Look pretty good. It had a polished outside edge on it.
Yeah, that's how I'm going to do. It's not really my thing, but I know that's the new look everybody's going to.
All right.
Well, my plan with that was to make everything stainless steel when I did the original. Like the handlebar risers and all that stuff, and I had those started at Performance, and they're probably still sitting there somewhere.
Yeah.
They were all going to be stainless, all stainless nuts and bolts. That's not so easy to do that here, so that's why I bought everything.
I think I might need a little bit bigger hammer. Yep. With this being very oversized, you know, a rough casting, it's not going to hurt it if you hit it with a big, like a ball peen or a sledge type hammer. So, oh, I think I got it a lot closer though. Check that out. I don't even know if y'all could see that. I might have been pointing up too far. That's within a quarter mile. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. Go back to this side. Oh yeah, we're fine. Just get a little preload on it. Alright, so it's about 10, 5, 10, 20. So I'm going to take my A-bomb cheater bar, and we need to put a little bit more radius on those handles right there, see? So let's go ahead and do that. Don't take much, just a little. Okay. A little bit high right there, so we'll see if we can move this side in just a bit. That is close enough. Matter of fact, whatever this is run out on this end, we're probably just going to leave it just like it is. Plenty good. There's a lot of metal to come out of that, both the inside and the outside there.